Well, here, like you dig that out. Once I got through the clay, I just started hitting this soft. Every now and then there'll be a soft pocket under that clay. Meets the clay, and as I said, I'll take probably a couple. I didn't actually get that top bit. I thought it would collapse, but I just kept all up through the top here. Really want to take that because I know there's not a lot in it, a lot of it there, but you can see with this clay how inconsistent it is. Hopefully we can get a bit. I thought I'd just mention the sections that I did it in. I've got 4 buckets of clay from the bottom in my blue tub, and then the last 7 buckets I did was, see how we go. I'll have it in 3 sections and we'll see which